While most holiday lights are much safer than they used to be, the risk of electrical fires hasn't gone away. So when you end up injured as a result, who can be held liable? Most of the time, the holiday light manufacturer would be responsible. However, if a retailer knew about a recall and sold the lights anyway, responsibility could shift to them. The lights might also have been installed incorrectly, which could place fault on the homeowner. And in some situations, responsibility may be shared among several parties. With holiday light electrical fires, there often isn't a naughty or nice list to follow. That means finding the evidence to prove who is at fault may require the help of a personal injury attorney. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery, and that starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love was injured in an electrical fire caused by faulty holiday lights in California, contact Maison Law right away.